I'll wake up every morning to the sound of motors roaring. They are drowning out the voices in my head. At night while I am sleeping, I can hear the angels speaking, but I can't recall a single thing they've said. I see the lips move clearly, I hear their presence near me, but all their unearthly wisdom just slips through the cracks. I wrench, I shake, I wrestle with my brain, and then I hear somebody speak and I relax. I'll say a word for sickness. She is my favorite mistress, and she knows my body like no other can. My flesh and spirit keep colliding when her fingers are inside me. Oh my God, lady, I'm your man. Fever, flu, malaria, come near me, not spare me. I just long to spend another night under attack. I wrench, I shake, I cry until I break, and then I hear somebody speak and I relax. I bang my head for days upon the walls inside this maze. I've never been too good at this damn kind of thing. I've been here with my father. I'm just pacing, but he's smarter. He's been building a fantastic set of wings. And like that, I'm up and flying with the labyrinth behind me. But I flew too high, the sun is melting through the wax. It burns, it hurts, I tumble through the earth. And as I fall, I feel myself relax. Letting go? Am I letting go? I think I'm letting go. I must be letting go. Am I letting go? Am I letting go? I think I'm letting go. I've got to let it go, let it go. Got to let it go. Oh, I'm trying to let it go. Oh, I got to let it go. Let go, let go, let go, let go. I'm letting go. I'm letting go. Oh God, I'm trying to let it go. I'm letting go. I'm letting go. I'm letting go. Let go, let go. I'll wake up every morning to the sound of motors roaring, and they are drowning out the voices in my head. At night while I am sleeping, I still hear the angels speaking, but I can't recall a single thing they've said. I see the lips move clearly, I hear their voices near me, but all their unearthly wisdom just slips through the cracks. I wrench, I shake, I wrestle with my brain, I cry, I shake, I cry until I break. It burns, it hurts, I tumble to the earth, and as I fall, I feel myself relax. Thank you. Come say hi before I go. I gotta go. Bye. Hi, thanks for having me, guys.